Welcome to the review of Breast Active's all-natural breast enhancement supplement capsules and cream combo kit. It is a natural formula for natural breast enhancement. This program is designed by Breast Active Company, which is a company dedicated at producing natural supplements that aim at boosting your health, complexion and breast size. It's a company situated in the USA. Breast Actives is a breast enhancement kit that comes with a 6-month supply. It's an online program for breast enhancement exercise that is safe and natural. Breast Actives is a 3-steps procedure that has been formulated for women interested in enlarging their breast. It's a natural program that has natural supplements that help in stimulating hormones production. The hormone produced stimulates breast tissue growth and breast development. It's a dual delivery system that comes with both topical cream and dietary supplements that are in pill form. Meanwhile, visit the link below this video and go to the company official site to read information on how you can get free 2-month supply, as well as information about money-back guarantee, prices, discount and more. It has affordable prices and provides you with all-in-one solution that performs in increasing your breast naturally without necessarily having to undertake surgeries. It's said to function through the use of natural ingredients such as dong quai and fenugreek. It also has discounts when bought in bulk. It works well and delivers rapid and long-lasting effects. It's a cheaper and safe program as compared to breast surgery. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.